Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious tropical mocktail, stay tuned. Alright, so the first ingredient we're starting off with is some coconut water, and I am using the Naked brand. You don't have to use this brand, but this is what I have on hand, and I'm using about a cup of that coconut water. It's funny, I don't like coconut water on its own, but when it's mixed with some type of fruit juice, I just find it to be very refreshing and super delicious. So the second ingredient we're using is some pineapple juice. I love pineapples, y'all. So I'm just going to shake this up really well, and I'm pouring in about a cup or so of that pineapple juice. All right, next we're going to add in some passion fruit. So delicious, you guys. I absolutely love passion fruit. It is perfect on its own, so you can imagine when adding it to these other delicious flavors that it just enhances it and just, I don't know, it just creates a beautiful melody. So I'm adding in about a cup. Well, you see me adding about a cup here, but I ended up adding about a cup and a half because I just love passion fruit. And so for a little effervescence, I'm going to be adding in a little seltzer water, and this one is lime raspberry. To enhance the lime flavor that we got from our seltzer, I'm adding about a third of a lime, okay? Just a little squeeze of lime, and that is all you need. All right, we're going to give this a good stir, and of course we're going to taste it to make sure that it is flavored to our liking. All right, next, to garnish the rim of our glass, we're going to pour a little bit of sugar on a plate, and we're going to use that lime that we used earlier to moisten the rim. All right, that is perfect. It looks beautiful. So now we are ready to assemble our drink. So I wanted to make a cute little garnish to go on the side of my glass. So I have some fresh pineapples here that are cut, and I also have some coconut chunks. So I'm just going to place them on my little toothpick here and put that on the rim. Just like so. Isn't that cute? And I also have a little lime wedge here, and I'm going to place that on the edge. And there you have it, you guys. My easy and delicious tropical getaway mocktail. I just made that up, but it is so delicious and refreshing, you guys. The beautiful flavors of the pineapple juice, the coconut water, and the passion fruit, and a little effervescence of that seltzer, and a squeeze of that lime. You guys, it is so good. This drink is perfect for brunch. I just had mine with a everything bagel with some smoked salmon and cream cheese. Absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give me a thumbs up or even share it with a friend. Once again, I thank you guys so much for clicking and watching. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.